7 reasons your boyfriend is acting distant and weird. When your boyfriend starts acting a little distant and weird, it can put you in a total panic mode. What did I do wrong? Is he interested in someone else? Does he not love me anymore? Does he want to break up? It's super easy to get lost in a downward spiral of what-ifs, especially if you feel like things have been going pretty well so far. Maybe what you think is happening, really is happening. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's just a simple case of him needing his space. He cheated or is considering it. Let's start with the worst-case scenario. According to love coach Michelle Baxo, sometimes guys get distant and weird because they've cheated or are considering it. He senses your expectations. If you've dropped more than enough hints about taking your relationship to the next level but he's just not there yet, he may start to pull back. He's stressed and doesn't want to burden you with his problems. If this is the case, let him know you're always there if he needs you and just give him space. When he's ready, he'll open up. He just needs some alone time. If your boyfriend says he needs some time alone, believe him. It doesn't mean that he doesn't like spending time with you. Some people, especially introverts, need some time to recharge a bit. He's on cruise control. If things are going great and you reach the 1-year mark, he may start to get distant because he's more secure and comfortable in the relationship. He really likes you and is starting to overthink. When you know for sure that the relationship is solid, just talk to him about his distant behavior. Tell him that you've noticed he's been a little to himself lately and just remind him that he can always come to you if he needs to. He's about to surprise you with something big. If you've been together for a long time and you're on the same page about where things are headed, he may be acting distant because he's ready to take things to the next level.